Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the wellness find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Dual action for ultimate wellness. BLUEAIR's HEPA silent technology purifies dirty air, while 360 degrees invisible mist. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Premium refill. Our truly innovative design features a premium LED display that doubles as a water refill point. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Powerful pump. Features a water pump that recirculates water. Smart chip indicator and pump reacts in real time too. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are wellness helper, daily routine, and easy use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the wellness find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.